Okay, welcome to another day. We're now moved to Upper Shillong. It's a beautiful drive. It's a lot more pristine here. Obviously this is the parking lot, so it won't seem so pristine. We just entered Elephant Falls. So this is the driveway in. One of those scooters there you see is what I've rented for the day. So this is the entrance of the Elephant Falls. There used to be a rock which resembled an elephant, but apparently it was destroyed 1897, but the name stuck. So let's have a look. Here we are, Elephant Falls. There you go. Quite nice. Look at that. You definitely have a few steps there. There's one, okay, there's the other part. So I think it starts from here, goes to this pavilion, and goes here. Okay, there's first falls, second falls, third falls. Okay, so I suppose this is the first falls. Let's go this way. There you go, this is the second part. As I said, the second steps. It's pretty cool, huh? Okay, now headed to LYNKSIAR Falls. On the way to Cherrapunji or Sohra as we call it here, there are so many waterfalls that it sometimes becomes impossible to see them all. That's the top of the falls. I think it'll be better if you go to the bottom, I think. I suspect the water might be a little cold, but the sun is out. Doesn't matter. Okay, we're at the JANAILAR waterfall and swimming pool. Can you see the color of the water? It's all natural. It's the way to the waterfall. I really don't know where I'm going, honestly. I'm just following this path. To see every waterfall in Meghalaya, it'll take you, I don't know if you can even do it. There's so many. They're all so beautiful. You don't want to skip out on any of them. Let's see what this takes us to. Okay, still more picnickers, partygoers, you know, I do. Check it out, guys. Okay, here we go. That's pretty awesome. If you all are planning a picnic, I think this is a very good idea. Get yourself some food and drinks and what have you, and come to either LYNKSIAR or JANAILAR or both, you know. Check this place out. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Why Shodong. The visit here is not for the faint-hearted. I'm here at the viewpoint, which is relatively easy to come down to. But I've been told that if you plan on going down all the way to the bottom, which we will be doing, it's not really an easy climb up. So little caution for the elderly or anybody with a heart problem. We're gonna go down all the way down as far as we can. Look at that. Perhaps there. Check this out. 1, 2, I think 3 terraces, 3 ponds of water. So this is where I came down from. Okay. Okay guys, this is another beautiful waterfall in Meghalaya, in the way to Cherrapunji, also known as Sohra. This is called Untitled Waterfall. It's incredible. In fact, there is a better view of this from the road when you're driving to Cherrapunji. Also, this is spectacular too. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you NOHKALIKAI Falls. It's absolutely spectacular. As you can see, the view is not the best. Actually, it's a great view if you're sitting here, but in the video it's not the best because it's very, very misty because the clouds it's also almost sunset. It's almost 3 something. Here about 4:30 the sun would set, but it's absolutely mesmerizing. So it's called the NOHKALIKAI Falls. Don't let that story disturb you from the beauty of the place. Absolutely magical. You must definitely come here. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely a must see in Cherrapunji. Just another random waterfall in the beautiful state of Meghalaya. We're driving this morning from Snowpendang to the beautiful village of Mailinong. An extremely beautiful route that my driver took me. The roads are surrounded on both sides by betel nut trees. And this is what it looks like. There's a little bridge over here. This is the view, you know. Check it out. Just another random, beautiful road. Beautiful northeastern state of Meghalaya.